Thailand warns of potential war amid ongoing clashes with Cambodia. Thailand has warned that its ongoing conflict with Cambodia, which has so far claimed the lives of 16 people and displaced tens of thousands in both countries, could escalate into war. Acting Thai Prime Minister Phumtham Wechayachai stated that heavy weapons are now being used in the clashes, which have spread to 12 locations along the border. Thailand also accused Cambodia of targeting civilian areas with rocket fire. All villages believed to be within range of Cambodian rockets have been evacuated. Cambodia, on the other hand, accused Thailand of using cluster bombs, munitions banned by many countries due to their indiscriminate lethality. Thailand has yet to respond to the allegations. Meanwhile, Thailand's foreign minister told Reuters that there is no need for third-party mediation. Malaysian Prime Minister and ASEAN Chairman Anwar Ibrahim had previously offered to mediate. In a Facebook post, he said, "I welcome the positive signals and willingness from both Bangkok and Phnom Penh." However, Thai Foreign Ministry spokesperson Nikorndej Balankura insisted that the issue should be resolved bilaterally and called on Cambodia to halt its aggressive actions. Thailand reports 14 civilian and 1 military fatality. Cambodian officials reported 1 civilian death in Otter Meanchey province. Many countries have called for an immediate end to the hostilities. U.S. State Department spokesperson Tommy Pigott expressed serious concern about the rising violence on the Thailand-Cambodia border and called for peace. China, which has political and strategic ties with both nations, voiced deep concern over the conflict and urged both sides to resolve the issue through dialogue and consultation. Australia, the European Union, and France also issued calls for peace. The United Nations Security Council is expected to convene on Friday to discuss the conflict. Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Manet wrote a letter to the Council urging action to stop what he described as Thai aggression. Both countries blame each other for firing the first shot on Thursday. Thailand claims the clash began when Cambodian forces used drones to observe Thai troops near the border. Cambodia, however, says it was Thai troops advancing toward a Khmer Hindu temple in violation of a previous agreement that triggered the confrontation. The dispute dates back to when France colonized Cambodia in the 19th century and drew the current border between the two nations. Tensions reignited in 2008 when Cambodia sought UNESCO World Heritage status for an 11th century temple in the disputed area, prompting protests in Thailand. Over the years, skirmishes have resulted in casualties among both soldiers and civilians on both sides. Tensions sharply escalated in May 2025 after a Cambodian soldier was killed, plunging bilateral relations to their lowest point in years. In recent months, both countries imposed mutual border restrictions. Cambodia banned the import of Thai fruits and vegetables and halted electricity and internet imports. Even before the latest clashes, both sides had been bolstering their military presence along the border. A Thai soldier was seen standing guard in the area. Although previous clashes between the two countries were quickly de-escalated, the current tension appears more volatile. A full-scale war seems unlikely at this point, but neither government has shown the strength or confidence to step back from the brink. Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Manet, the son of a former dictator, has yet to fully assert his authority. His father, Hun Sen, appears willing to escalate the conflict to reinforce his nationalist image. Thailand, meanwhile, is governed by a fragile coalition backed by former dictator Thaksin Shinawatra. Thaksin's daughter, Paetongtarn Shinawatra, was recently removed from a prime minister's office due to a leaked audio tape allegedly involving Hun Sen.